What happens to your body when you drink a cup of sage tea every day? This aromatic drink has been used for centuries in traditional medicine, but what can it really do for your health? From boosting your brain function to supporting your skin and oral health, sage tea is packed with antioxidants and other beneficial compounds. People believe it may even help protect against certain diseases. While more studies are needed to fully understand its effects, the benefits of sage tea are definitely worth exploring. Now let's take a look at what happens to your body when you make sage tea a daily habit. Rich in anti-inflammatory and antioxidant compounds. Let's be real, who doesn't want a little extra help fighting off inflammation and harmful toxins? Sage tea is like a natural powerhouse when it comes to anti-inflammatory and antioxidant compounds. The antioxidants in sage tea, especially rosmarinic acid, work hard to protect your body by neutralizing free radicals, those nasty molecules that can cause damage and lead to chronic diseases like type 2 diabetes and even some cancers. While we still need more studies to fully understand the long-term benefits, what we do know is pretty exciting. On top of that, sage tea isn't just good for fighting off toxins. It also offers a decent amount of vitamin K, which is great for your bones, helps your blood clot properly, and supports healthy circulation. If that's not enough, this tea also contains compounds like carnosol and camphor, both of which are known for their health benefits. Studies done on animals like mice have shown sage to reduce inflammation and balance blood sugar levels. While it's always good to remember that more research on humans is needed, sage tea's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties are worth noting. May promote healthy skin and wound healing. Sage has long been a go-to ingredient in many skincare products, and it's easy to see why. Beyond its culinary uses, sage is known for its ability to promote healthy skin and assist in wound healing. Drinking sage tea could offer similar benefits. One of the main compounds in sage, camphor, has been shown to encourage healthy skin cell growth and even reduce the appearance of wrinkles. Studies on mice have indicated that it can slow down the signs of aging, making it a great natural option for keeping skin looking youthful. Sage doesn't just help with aging skin, it also addresses skin damage caused by the sun and inflammation. Its compounds, like carnosol and carnosic acid, have been shown in animal studies to help repair sun-related skin issues. Sage tea might even be helpful for healing cold sores and speeding up wound recovery. Additionally, studies suggest that sage can kill certain harmful bacteria and fungi that can harm your skin, giving you even more reason to consider this herbal tea for your daily routine. Promotes oral health. Sage is well known for its wide range of health benefits, but did you know it's also fantastic for oral health? This herb has a long history in dentistry because it helps with pain, inflammation, and bad breath. If you're dealing with a sore throat or mouth wounds, gargling sage tea is a popular remedy that's been trusted for ages. One of its key ingredients, rosmarinic acid, acts as a powerful antioxidant that can help reduce inflammation and promote healing in your mouth. Sage's antibacterial properties are another reason it's often added to mouthwashes. These compounds help fight harmful bacteria that can lead to infections, gum disease, or other dental issues. It doesn't just stop at bacteria. Sage's anti-inflammatory abilities can also help soothe swollen gums and reduce oral pain. Whether it's used in a tea or a rinse, sage can be an effective natural option for keeping your mouth healthy and fresh. So, the next time you want to support your oral health naturally, consider adding sage tea to your routine. May have anti-cancer properties. Sage tea has been gaining attention for its potential anti-cancer properties, which is pretty exciting. It's packed with compounds like carnosol, camphor, and rosmarinic acid, all of which have shown some promising effects in the fight against cancer. Animal and test tube studies have found that carnosol in particular can target and kill certain cancer cells without harming healthy ones. That's a big deal because it means sage tea may offer some protection against the spread of harmful cells. One study involving over 500 people even found that drinking sage and chamomile teas was linked to a reduced risk of thyroid cancer. In another test tube study, sage tea helped prevent the genetic changes that could lead to colon cancer. While all of these results sound promising, it's important to remember that more research is needed, especially involving humans. So, while sage tea might not be a miracle cure, its anti-cancer potential is something worth keeping an eye on as studies continue. adding a cup of sage tea to your routine could be a simple way to support your health. Improves blood sugar control. Sage tea isn't just a tasty drink. It might also help with blood sugar control. For people dealing with type 2 diabetes or those looking to prevent it, sage has been a common ingredient in alternative treatments. Studies suggest that sage tea can play a role in lowering blood sugar levels. In one study, adults with type 2 diabetes who took 500 milliliters of sage extract 3 times a day for 2 months saw improvements in their fasting blood sugar, post-meal sugar levels, and hemoglobin A1C, which tracks average blood sugar over a few months. It's not just humans benefiting from sage tea though. In a study on mice, those that drank sage tea instead of water had lower fasting blood sugar levels, which points to its potential in managing diabetes. What's more, test tube studies show that sage may act similarly to insulin, helping to move sugar from the blood into the cells where it can be stored, effectively lowering overall blood sugar levels. While more research is needed to fully understand these effects, it's clear that sage tea holds some promise for blood sugar control, making it a helpful addition to your diet if you're watching your levels. May promote brain health and improve mood. Sage isn't just for flavoring food. It's also gaining attention for its potential benefits to brain health and mood. Many people use sage in alternative medicine to help improve memory, boost mood, and even prevent brain-related disorders like Alzheimer's. And the best part? Scientific studies are beginning to support these claims. Alzheimer's, for instance, is linked to the buildup of amyloid plaques in the brain. Some studies on animals and in labs suggest that sage, along with rosmarinic acid, may help reduce or prevent the formation of these plaques. But it doesn't stop there. Multiple studies on humans show that sage extracts can improve memory, focus, and overall brain function. Even just the smell of sage has been shown to have a positive effect. In one study involving 135 adults, those who inhaled the aroma of sage experienced improved mood and memory compared to those who didn't. While more research is needed, sage's potential to support brain health and enhance mood makes it a great addition to your daily routine. Whether in tea form or as an essential oil, sage has some impressive brain-boosting abilities. May support women's health. Sage isn't just beneficial for general health. It can also provide some unique advantages for women. In certain cultures, especially in the Middle East, pregnant women have used sage for generations to ease digestive issues like nausea, which is common in early pregnancy. Although there's not a lot of scientific research backing this practice, it's still widely relied upon as a natural remedy. Sage has also been traditionally used to reduce breast milk production in women who are either weaning or have an oversupply. While these benefits are based on historical use rather than solid scientific evidence, sage does offer some proven support for women, particularly during menopause. One study with 71 women found that taking a daily sage tablet for 8 weeks helped reduce the severity and frequency of hot flashes by 64%. For women going through menopause, this could be a natural option to help manage some of the more challenging symptoms. While more research is always beneficial, sage's potential to support women's health in various stages of life makes it a helpful herb to keep in mind. That's just a glimpse of how drinking sage tea daily can benefit your body and well-being. If you found this information helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Earthluxe for more natural health tips and wellness insights. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update.